Hi people! Today I bring you this false eyelash kit from Kiss. It's called False Cara. The kit is quite comprehensive. It comes with sealant glue, a remover, and 3 different types of tufts. The application process is straightforward. Take a look. You apply the glue to the eyelashes as if you were applying mascara. Cover all the hairs, from the roots to the tips of your strands, starting the application from the outer corner of my eyes. They go beneath my natural lashes, adjusting them with tweezers, reposition if necessary, apply a little more glue and reposition them, and press the false eyelashes onto your lashes with tweezers. Guys, now I'm moving on to the second part of this process, which is to use the sealant along the entire length of your lashes, from your natural lashes to the tip of your false lashes. I'm going to apply the third step next, which might be the most important, the overnighter product. Okay, this was specifically formulated to extend the use of your eyelash extensions and, along with the glue, promises to keep them in place for up to 10 days. Now, when it's time to remove, just use the remover that came in the kit, put it on a cotton pad and leave it on your eyes for 10 seconds. It looks great, right? Super easy. Now let's see if it lasts. It's supposed to last 10 days, huh? I'll be back to update you. Kiss.